Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a real candy with its own packaging. It's like something you are actually see on a store shelf. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And then after installing, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry about the credits because Dreamface has a free plan and you get free credits every week. So you can try this without spending anything. And once you're logged in, you will land on the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on AI filter. And then after that, just go to new airfolds, this one. And then after that, just scroll down and find the effect that called candy packaging, this one. Just tap on it, and in there, and then in here, just upload or select your photo that you want to transform into a candy packaging. Just use a clear photo with a visible face and good lighting. For example, I want to choose this one, and after that, just simply tap on animate like this and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a candy styles product with realistic packaging like this. And I think it seriously looks like a real candy brand. It looks so good. It looks so incredible. Cool. The result is so cool. Just look at the details, the color, and then packaging designs like this. It's crazy how realistic it is, and I think it's perfect for creative content or just for fun. And okay, that's it. It's super easy, right? If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.